Welcome to Kamakshi's kitchen. Today we are going to see how to make oats without cooking. The ingredients we need are oats, curd, banana, one banana cut into pieces, and dry fruits. Let's start with it. Take 2 spoons of oats in 2 cups, one for salt and one for sweet. Add hot boiling water to it. Yeah, this is enough. For 2 spoons, this is enough. Just give us big, just stir like this, and to this add hot milk. Just give a stir. Yeah. One tumbler of milk. Close it. Leave it for 15 to 20 minutes. Let's open it and see now. Yeah, see, it's fully cooked now. Both, yeah, it's really very nice. It won't be sticky. The reason, why we don't cook is, if you cook, it will become really mushy and very sticky. Now you can see it's not sticky. Now you can have this with fruits. This is a banana. And you just now you can have like this. No need to add sugar. It's not sticky. You can see, you can just have this like cornflakes. It's not sticky. The same way you can just add salt, add curd to it. It's not sticky even here. If you keep it in the stove, it will be really very sticky, and nobody likes it. This way, if you try, it's really very good, and everybody will start having oats. Yeah. If you like this, please share and comment. Thank you.